Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of Entri app, India's #1 app for the preparations of government examinations like banking, SSC, railway or other state level examination. I am Kashish, your reasoning mentor, having an experience of 3 years in banking competitive sector. So in today's session we will be discussing the questions on the basis of ranking. Okay, somewhere a complex chapter as compared to other one like distance and direction, blood relations, syllogism, inequality, somewhere complex, but if the basics are clear, okay, and if your basics are clear, then it is possible you can make questions by trick. Okay, first of all you have to understand the basics too, as well. Okay, so before moving on to the questions of ranking, first of all let's discuss the homework question that I have given you in the last session, that was based on weak page puzzle. So let's see what we have. Study the following information carefully to answer these questions. Okay, so 7 friends X, Y, Z, D, E, F and G perform in a stage show on different days from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so what I've told you, first of all see what are the days from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so the formation, first of all make the table starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and then Sunday. Okay, now they perform different items. Okay, so different items are given. Now let's see the information. So Y perform play on Thursday and E perform music on Sunday. Okay, so these are the positive information, that Y perform play on Thursday. Okay, so on Thursday it must be Y and he will perform play, and E perform music on Sunday. Okay, so on Sunday it will be E and what he perform music. Done. Next, G perform mimicry but not on Tuesday or Saturday. Okay, so first positive thing is that G must perform mimicry, that is for sure, but G can't be on Tuesday and Saturday. So G can't be either on Tuesday, G can't be on Saturday. So the possibilities are Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but right now we don't have to make the 3 possibility. Now let's see further on. Z performance is on the next day of G performance. Okay, so just after G it will be Z, that is for sure. Okay, so they will come together. So now there is no possibility that G will come on Wednesday, that is also not possible. Then now the possibility is either on Monday, okay, or on Friday. Now let's see further on. D perform on Monday but not dance. Okay, so it is obvious that on Monday it will be D, yes, but no dance or debate. Okay, so it is a negative information given that D does not perform either dance or debate. Done. Now see what I've told you, the possibility for G was either Monday or Friday, but the Monday is already given to the D, so it is obvious that on Friday it will be G and on Saturday it will be Z, because immediately after G it will be Z, and G is performing what? Mimicry, that is obvious. Is it clear or not? Done. Next, X performs singing, which is on the next day of speech. Okay, so now what we have, that X perform singing, okay, and it is on the next day of speech. So it before singing, that is just before singing, it must be speech, yes or no? Now the possibility are, see, it is possible that speech will come on Monday and X will come on Tuesday, that is performing singing, or on Tuesday it will be speech and on Wednesday it will be X performing singing. Other than that, for X there is no possibility. Okay, just let's see the last information so that we can confirm where these possibility will be made last. Dance is not performed on Saturday. Also, okay, so what we have, that dance can't be on Saturday, that is for sure. Is it clear? Now D also does not perform dance, that is also obvious, that is obvious, so dance can't be here. So the possibility is either on Tuesday or Wednesday, yes or no? Now what I have told you, that speech and singing can be together on Monday, Tuesday or Tuesday, Wednesday, yes or no? But between Tuesday and Wednesday, either on Tuesday or either on Wednesday, there must be dance, yes or no? Because dance can't be on Saturday and dance can't be with D, that is for sure. So it means speech and singing together can't be on Tuesday and Wednesday, that is for sure. So it is obvious that on Monday, that is with D, D will perform speech, that is for sure, and on next day of speech it must be X, and who is performing singing, yes or no? And now dance is obviously the Wednesday will left, so dance will be here. Done. Now The last person left, that will come here. So the last person we have left, that is F. So F will be here. Done. And the last performance, that is, or a different thing that left, that music is done, dance is done, mimicry is done, play done, debate. Okay, so debate left, so debate will come here. So this will be your final formation of your last homework question. Yes or no? Done. So this is how you have to make the question. Okay, just keep one thing in your mind, just keep making possibilities in your mind. Okay, you don't have to make the possibilities again and again. Okay, just keep these things in mind, that sometimes you have to just make the possibility in your mind. Like I've seen that speech and singing will come on these two positions. Okay, but right now I don't make it, because from the last line it was very clear that speech and singing can't be together on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so every time you don't need to make the possibility. Done. Okay, so that was the last homework question that I have given you. Now moving on to the questions of ranking. So first thing that you have to keep in mind of ranking. Okay, in ranking, basically the formations are two. Okay, there are two formations basically. Okay, one is overlapping and other one is non-overlapping condition. Okay, there are basically two conditions that you have to keep in mind. Okay, there are two conditions, overlapping and non-overlapping. Overlapping means, suppose if you have given A, okay, whose position from the left hand, okay, whose position from the left hand is 14, just suppose, and there is a person B whose position from the right hand is 20th. Okay, so you have to draw, suppose, a diagram. So it is possible that, suppose this is the left hand and this is the right hand. Okay, suppose, so it is possible that A and B will be here. Okay, this is the position of A from left, that is 14, and B is 20th from the right. This is possibility. Or other chance of making is that this is the left hand, this is the right hand. So suppose A is here, who is 14th from the left hand, and there you have B who is 20th from right hand. Okay, so this is called non-overlapping condition, this is called overlapping. So if you want to clear all these basics, okay, just go on our app, that is, the link is in the description box. You can watch my course there and you can clear your every doubt regarding ranking. Okay, each and every concept we have taught you there. Okay, so you can just watch out everything there. So now let's proceed with our first question. So you have to solve this question, and I'm giving you exact 30 questions. So now solve it. This is now your turn. 30 seconds, that's it, nothing more than that. You have just 30 seconds, just fast solve it. Let's see who will answer the question. Let's see. The time is going to be up very soon. Just last 5 seconds remaining, guys. Last 5 seconds. Okay, so time's up. Okay, so time's up. Now let's see the question. So Kamal ranked 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom among those boys who passed an examination. 6 boys did not participate in the competition and 5 failed in it. How many boys were there in the class? So this was very easy question. Now suppose whenever the rank or position of a person, of a single person, is given from two sides, okay, that is from the left or right or from the top or bottom. So what you have to do to count the total number? So whenever the position of a person, suppose this is the A and this is left hand, this is right hand. So if from the left A is suppose 17th and from the right suppose A is 29th, just suppose. So if you want to count the total number of persons, so what you have to do? You have to just add both the numbers, that is 29 plus 17, and you have to minus 1. Now why you are minus 1? Suppose from the left hand A is 17, so from left to A, counting A, total 17%, and from right the position of A is 29. So from right hand to A, counting A again, there is 29%. But in this condition, when you are counting 17th person, you are taking A. When you are counting from right 29th person, you are counting A. So it is obvious that you are counting A 2 times. So that's why you are subtracting 1. Okay. So this was the basic thing that you have to understand. So Kamal ranks 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom. So the person who passed the examination, or from the boys that passed the examination, so 16 plus 29. Okay. So it will be 45 minus 1, that will be 44. Yes or no? Till now it is clear. Now 6 boys did not participate, so 44 plus 6, that will be 50 in the competition, and 5 failed in it, so 50 plus 5, so total will become 55. So we need total boys, so it will be 55. That's it. Option number D will be our answer. Clear or not? Done. So this is how you have to solve the question. You need to be very focused on your basics as well. Okay, then easily you can understand the tricks as well. Okay, now moving on to the second question, and I'm starting the timer again, and it will be 30 seconds again. Half time up, guys. 15 seconds is up. Last 5 seconds, guys. Last 5 seconds. Okay, so time's up. Okay, so that's it. The time's up. This much time is enough for this type of question. So let's see what the question is. Ritik is 7th rank ahead of Amir Khan in class of 39. Okay, so total there are 39 students, in which Ritik is 7 rank ahead, means he is somewhere above Amir Khan, that is 7 rank above Amir Khan. If Amir Khan rank is 17th from the last, what is Ritik rank from the start? Okay, so this is very easy question. Suppose there are total 39 students. Okay, so suppose from the bottom this is Amir Khan, and he ranks 17th. Okay, he ranks 17th from the bottom. Yes or no? Now Ritik is 7 rank ahead, so 17 plus 7. So from the bottom, Ritik will become 17 plus 7. That will be 24th. Yes or no? Okay, so from bottom to till Ritik, there will be 24% or you can say the students. Yes or no? Now total is 39. So above Ritik, it is always that 39 minus 24. There will be 15%. Okay, so above Ritik, ahead of Ritik, there will be 15%. But we need the position or rank of Ritik from the start. So if 15% is ahead of Ritik, and you have to find the position of Ritik, so it will be 16th. Okay, it will be 16. So answer will be option number D. That's it. Clear or not? Done? Okay, now moving on to the question number 3rd. So now this time I am giving you 1 minute, exact 1 minute you have to solve the question. So let's see who will solve the question. In these types of question, your basics must be very strong. Okay, you need to understand what type of question they are asking and what you have to do in such type of question. So let's see who will solve this question. Last 10 seconds, guys. Okay, that's it. So time's up. Let's see the question. So Mohan is 6th from the left end and Pankaj is 10th from the right end in a row of boys. Now see, one thing you have to be very clear, that Mohan is 6th from the left end and Pankaj is 10th from the right end. So what I've told you in the first question, in the introduction part, what I've told you, there are two possibilities or basic two diagram, that is overlapping and non-overlapping, but it can be cleared when the position of Mohan and Pankaj with respect to each other is given. Means suppose if it is given that Mohan is to the left of Pankaj or Pankaj is to the left of Mohan, that's it. Okay, but let's see the next information. If there are 8 boys between Mohan and Pankaj, how many boys are there in the row? So basically in these type of question where the two persons are given and their position is from the two different end. Okay, one is from the left hand and one is from the right hand, and the person are given between them. Okay, so basically you will have two diagram, either Mohan here and Pankaj here. Okay, this is the right hand, this is left and this is right, or the possibility can be from left hand this is Mohan and from right hand this is Pankaj. Okay, these are the possibility. Just suppose, okay, these are the two possibility, and they are saying there are 8% between them. Okay, so the position of Mohan from the left is 6 and Pankaj from the right is 10th. Yes or no? So same here, Mohan is 6th and Pankaj is what, 10th. Now they are saying that there are 8% between them. So in this case there are 8%, there are 8%. So just keep one thing in mind, whether these two diagrams are possible or not, whether these two both are possible or not, means overlapping and non-overlapping, both are possible or not? No, both are not possible. Now why this is not possible? Just keep one thing in mind, that non-overlapping condition, is always possible in such type of question, always possible. Okay, whenever there is such type of question, non-overlapping condition always follow, but you have to check for this condition, that is overlapping condition. Because suppose this is Mohan and from left hand his position is 6th, means if you're counting from the left and till Mohan, means counting Mohan, there are 6%. So to the left of Mohan there is only 5%, yes or no? Only 5%. But what I had made here, that between Pankaj and Mohan I had made 8% there. Okay, this is the 8% there right now. So these 8% are to the left of Mohan, yes or no? Yes. But as we have seen that to the left, from the left end the position of Mohan is 6, so there can be only 5% to the left of Mohan, but we have made 8% there, and already Pankaj is also to the left. So total right now we had made 9%, minimum 9% are we are making to the left of Mohan, but the only possibility that can be to the left of Mohan, there are only 5. So it means this case can't be possible in this case, yes or no? Clear? So whenever you're doing such type of question, first of all you have to see whether the overlapping condition is possible or not. Now how you can see whether the overlapping condition is possible or not? There is just a basic trick. Okay, just keep this thing in mind when you are checking whether the overlapping condition, okay, whether the overlapping condition is followed in such type of question. So what you have to do, you have to take the position of one person that is having lower position. Okay, so the lower position having Mohan, that is 6. So you have to take the lower position, that is 6, and you have to subtract 2 from that. Okay, you have to subtract 2 from that, so it will become 4. Now these 4 are the maximum person, these are the maximum person that could sit between Mohan and Pankaj in overlapping condition. Okay, but in the question they have given 8 boys, so you can't make the overlapping condition because this condition is not fulfilled here. So that's why overlapping is not followed. So only one condition is followed, that is non-overlapping. Just keep one thing, again I'm telling you the trick, whenever you're checking whether the overlapping condition is followed or not, so whenever there are 2 person having position from 2 different ends, so you have to take the lower position. So lower position is 6, so you have to take the 6 and subtract 2, that will become 4. Now these 4 are the maximum person that could sit between these 2 person, that is Mohan and Pankaj, in overlapping condition between them. But there you have given 8 boys, so overlapping condition does not fulfill here, so that's why only non-overlapping. And whenever there is non-overlapping, so there is basically simple, you can say 6 plus 10 plus 8 boys between them, so 10 plus 8, that is 18, plus 6, that is 24. So answer will be option number C. That's it, done. And to know these things in deeply, just go on our app, link is in description, watch my premium videos there. You can easily get these type of tricks and basics of that tricks very easily there. Okay, and you can understand these things very easily. Now moving on to the question number 4. So again you have 1 minute to solve the question, just do it fast. Half minute up, guys. Last 10 seconds, guys. Hurry up. Okay, so time's up. So now let's see the question. In a row of 68 people, Sonal is 22nd from left and Rinku is 17 from the right. Counting from the left end, what will be the position of Pinku, who is sitting exactly middle of Sonal and Rinku? Okay, the very easy question. So in a row, total we have 68%. Yes or no? Total there are 68%. Now Sonal is 22nd from left and Rinku is 17 from right. So total, if there is 68, now you have to see whether this condition fulfills or not, means overlapping condition or non-overlapping. So just add these 2 points, that is 22nd plus 17, so it will be 39 and it will be less than what, 68 people. So it is obvious that you have to take the non-overlapping condition. Okay, so first of all, from the left, this is, suppose this is Sonal and it is 22nd, and there you have Rinku who is 17th. Okay, done. Now what we have to count the position from the left hand, and we have to find the position of Pinku from the left hand, and Pinku is sitting exactly in the middle of Sonal and Rinku, means Pinku is somewhere sitting here. Now see, total there are 68%. 22 from the left hand till whom? Sonal. So there are 22%, these are 22, and these are 17%. So 22 plus 17, that will be 39, yes or no? So till here from the left hand and till here from the right hand, there are total 39%. We are adding both of them there. Okay, so all other are sitting in the middle. So 68 minus 39. So remaining will be what? 29, yes or no? So means 29% are sitting between whom? Sonal and Rinku. Now Pinku is sitting in the middle, means if 29 is total and Pinku is in the middle, so 14 is there, 14 is there, yes or no? Yes or no? Done. Now till here, now we have to find the position of Pinku from the left hand. So 22 is still here, 14 is in the between, so it will become what? 36, and we have to count the Pinku also because we have to find the position, so it will become 36 plus 1, 37. So answer will be option number C. That's it. Clear or not? Done. Okay, now let's see question number 5th, and you have just 30 seconds. Actually, if you know the trick of these type of question, you can easily do these type of question within 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you don't have to pick your pen as well. You can just do just by solving or by just reading the question. You can solve it very easily. So 30 seconds is more than enough, and if you don't know the trick, it will be a little bit difficult. And I'm going to tell you just simple trick here. Okay. So that's it, time's up. Okay, now let's see what the question is. In a row of some children, S is 25th from the left, T is 60th from the right. If they interchange their position, then T becomes 70th from the right. What is the S new placing? Now see, whenever there is a question that is based on interchanging, whenever there is question based on interchanging, okay, so interchanging means, suppose this is A and this is B. Now if you are saying they interchange the position, means B will come at this position, okay, and A will comes up to B at this position, yes or no? Okay, now whenever there is interchange, so A and B will interchange with themselves. Okay, now suppose if there was 6% before interchanging, so after interchanging there will be 6%, yes or no? Okay, so the step A moves to interchange, same steps B have taken to interchange, yes or no? Is it clear? So whenever there is a condition of interchanging, okay, so you have to see what is given in the question. So first of all, there will be old position. Old position means before interchanging. So S we have from the left, it is 25th. Okay, now we have T and it is from the right and it is 60th, yes or no? And with that, whenever there is a question of interchanging, there will be a new position, that is for sure. Somewhere it will be new position given, that is for sure. Okay, so whenever there is a new position, it will be given of one person. Okay, so like, suppose there is T, okay, whose new position from the right is 70th, and they have given us to find the new placing of S, so we have to find the position of S from the left end. Okay, this is what we have to find out. Now whenever there is a question based on interchanging, you can just simply solve it just by reading the question. Now how you can solve? Just watch my trick. So see the old position and new position of a person, that is common. Okay, that is T. So old position was 60 and new position is 70. So there is a gain of plus 10, yes or no? So same gain will S will take. Okay, so this is 25, so S 25 plus 10, that will be 35. That's it, the answer will be 35. Clear? Done. Okay, that's it, done. Just keep one thing in mind, whenever there is a question based on interchanging, when one person changes its position, okay, then other will change in the same way. That can be either plus or can be minus. Suppose in the new position, the T will become from the right hand, suppose it will become 50th, just suppose. So what will be the S position in that case? So it will be 60 to 50, that will be minus 10. So 25 minus 10, it will become 15, then it will be answer will be 15. Clear or not? Done. Okay, so these are the questions that are based on ranking that I have made you solve here. I have told you some tricks as well, but to watch my full videos on ranking, you can just go and watch in my premium videos. Okay, so now I am giving you 5 homework question. Okay, these are the 5 homework question you have to do, and these are basically based on the question we have already done in this lecture. Okay, so you have to do these all question. Okay, so one important thing, that whenever you are talking about banking examination, that are all online. Okay, so you are practicing offline, that is also good, but you have to make your speed by taking the quizzes online. Okay, so we are giving you that platform, that is Entri app is giving that platform. We are giving you free quizzes, so you can just go in the description box, you can find the link to attempt the free test. So what have you to do, just go in the description box, click on the link, you will come up to our app, then go to practice session, you will get the test here, and if you clicking on one of them, you will get the test topic wise, as well as you will get the full test also. Okay, and one important thing that is very important, after completing the quiz, you will get the complete analysis, that how many are wrong, how many are right, and how many time you have spent on each question. So this is very important. Okay, so the link is in description box, you can just go and attempt the free quiz there. And also I have told you that my full videos on ranking and other topics is in my premium video, so you can just go watch my video is in link, and link is in the description box. You can just click on video classes and you will get different classes, like banking foundation course you are getting now, RRB is there, so you can click any one of them. Like if you're clicking on RRB, so you will get the topic like alphanumeric and alphabetic coding, decoding, inequality, silogs, blood relation, all topics I have covered, and it is deeply covered. Clear? So you can just go and watch my premium video, link is in the description box, just go and watch my videos. And please do like our video and do share it, and also comment your answer, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.